Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can turn off the ad blocking feature in 2026 in Brave browser. So let us dive into this. So if you'd like to disable the ad blocker in Brave browser, guys, in 2026, you will need to navigate to browser settings here in the top right by clicking into these three lines and by selecting settings. After that, navigate to Shields because most other browsers feature that option in the privacy and security section. On Brave browser, you'll find it under Shields. Here, what you want to do, guys, under this option, scroll down a bit, and here, guys, you can set a rule or behavior for ad blocking by clicking into the drop-down menu and choose one of these options. If you'd like to turn it off, switch to disabled, and that is going to disable the ad blocking feature. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.